Well, I'm not surprised, but apparently there is a new movement mechanic, at least in the Modern Warfare 3 beta, discovered, and they're calling it Frog. Frog movement strat. Let's take a look at it. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Take a look at the news. Modern Warfare 3 players discover busted frog movement strat. This is, via Deserto, by the way. COD players have already discovered a new movement mechanic in the Modern Warfare 3 beta that could be on par with the likes of snaking and bunny hopping. Movement is a huge part of any Call of Duty title, but frequently changes depending on the developer. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. And they're putting everything that we wanted in Modern Warfare 2 now into Modern Warfare 3. So they're like taking what we wanted and then reselling it to us in a new game. I don't want to get too into it, but COD players, you understand. Anyways, mechanics such as being able to hop around, move behind boxes smoothly, and slide cancel are all examples of recent movement tricks for more advanced players. I'm glad they're bringing back slide canceling, by the way. Makes the game more fun to play. By mastering movement in Call of Duty, the player has the advantage over their opposition simply because they're moving in an unpredictable manner. I think any competitive shooter is like that, you know? This can make it hard to aim on the target and connect shots. It's FPS 101, you know? You want to be able to have unpredictable movement, dodge bullets. The Modern Warfare 3 beta has only been open for PlayStation users so far, and already the console players are determining what movement is best. These outcomes could change when the game hits keyboard and mouse next weekend, but for now, one new trick appears to be taking the beta by storm. Clips surfaced on Twitter, and users showing how they were leaping back and forth to avoid being shot. This clip starts in one of the garages within the map estate, and the player question can be seen jumping in and out, followed by a highlight reel of the individual replicating the movement around the other maps. I'll be honest, I'm not going to play the audio on here because the music is atrocious. But you can kind of see here, like jumping around, literally jumping around like a frog. So they're kind of dolphin diving, but also going prone and just jumping around. I don't think this is going to stick. I just can't imagine it being that difficult to shoot somebody that's frog hopping. I think, to me, it seems like you're more vulnerable. It looks pretty ridiculous. Probably fun to do, but I mean, if you know what you're doing in this game and you have good aim, like that's not going to do much. It's just not going to do much. And that's my opinion. And I'm a scrub casual, and I don't think that's going to mess me up too bad. The erratic jumping back and forth makes the target next to impossible to hit. I don't believe that next to impossible. I think they're like over glamorizing this a little too much. Especially when the animation also includes the player going prone. This combines a certain amount of leaping with another form of drop shooting, which makes the prospect all the more terrifying. I don't think so. I don't think this is going to be that bad. The creator of the clip only shows it in use, but does not demonstrate how to replicate the movement in game. Rest assured that if a tutorial surfaces, there will be a guide to help players get on the leapfrog trend. I don't know, just aim better. It's again, not to sound so redundant and everything. I don't think that this is going to be like the strat of all strats. I guess the age-old quote, get good, and then you don't have to worry about this. It's. What do you guys think? I mean, I personally don't feel threatened by this new movement. What I feel more threatened by are the hacks that I'm sure are going to be ubiquitous as this game comes out. I want to know what's going on with the anti-cheat. This movement stuff, I doesn't concern me. But what do you guys think? Are you going to be doing jumping on this bandwagon? Do you know how to do it already? Is it working in your favor? Let me know down below. I appreciate you guys. Like and subscribe. That's some news. I'll talk to you soon.